Hello friends, hope you are doing good. One of the students were asking question about how we can count vowels in a string using functions. And so I have today I will be discussing about that, and I will be using list comprehension for the same. Those who do not know about list comprehension can go through the lectures where I have teach comprehensions and functions. Please go through the lecture there. So right now I'm starting with it. So here first you will define a function, vowel count. We are plus u. And number of vowels or we have taken a string str is equal to ADHEMATIC mathematics. And then we are calling the function vowel count. Here we are getting number of vowels in mathematics is 4. So in the same way, you can take any string you want and you can do the same program. And apart from this, you can make the function you want and you can do the program you want to do. For more learning more such videos, for more learning more such concepts, and for learning data science, Python, full stack data science, full stack developer, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science with AI, digital marketing, and other courses, messages, batches are running, and we will start your classes. We will be registering you for the batch and your classes. We started. For more questions, messages. Thank you.